Finding quality product is frustrating because there is too much of information out there. Are you fed up with having to sift through bad Google results and fake reviews when researching products? If so, you've come to the right place. We collect reviews from reliable sources, filter out the false ones, and present the data in an easy-to-understand format so you can make more informed buying decisions. If at any time you decide to buy, then the product links are provided in the description below. Here are 5 things to consider while buying a portable ice maker. 1. Capacity. Determine how much ice you need to produce each day. Portable ice makers typically have a capacity of anywhere from 3 to 16 pounds per day. Get a model with higher capacity if you have a bigger family or entertain frequently. 2. Ice type. You can get cube ice makers, nugget ice makers, or a combination of both. Cube ice is good for whiskey or other mixed drinks. Nugget ice is better for iced tea or beer. Determine which one suits you best. 3. Noise level. Ice makers do make some noise due to the compressor and fan. Check for low decibel ratings. 4. Design. Portable ice makers come in cube, oblong, and circular styles. Choose one that will suit the countertop space you want to place it. Compact models save more space. 5. Features. Consider useful features like automatic shutoff when full, energy efficiency, water filter, adjustable thermostat, etc., depending on your needs and priorities. These additional features will enhance the user experience. Additional things to check: warranty, water requirements, electricity needed, dimensions, and weight if mobility is a concern. Comparing multiple models based on these points can help you make an informed choice. Based on honest recommendation over commercial interest, we have put together the top 5 portable ice makers. Coming at number 5, the GE Profile Opal 2.0 Countertop Nugget Portable Ice Maker with Side Tank is an excellent choice for anyone who loves chewable nugget-shaped ice. With a daily ice production capacity of up to 24 pounds, it's quick and efficient. The machine is compact and portable, making it easy to move around and store when not in use. The addition of a side tank provides extra water storage for uninterrupted ice making. Although it's pricier than some other portable ice makers, the Opal 2.0's quality and convenience make it a great choice. Coming in at number 4, the Magic Chef Portable Ice Maker is a reliable and efficient option for those in need of ice on the go. It can produce up to 27 pounds of ice per day and has a compact design, making it perfect for small spaces. The machine is easy to operate with simple button controls and produces bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 7 minutes. The noise level is relatively low, and the built-in indicator lights let you know when the ice basket is full or when the water level is low. Overall, the Magic Chef Portable Ice Maker is a great investment for those in need of a convenient and reliable ice maker. Coming in at number 3, the Igloo ICEB26RR Portable Ice Maker is a great option for those in need of a reliable and efficient ice maker. It has a capacity to produce 26 pounds of ice per day, and it only takes 15 minutes to make a batch of ice. The machine has a compact and stylish design with a vibrant retro red finish that will complement any kitchen decor. The control panel is user-friendly, and the built-in indicator lights let you know when the ice basket is full or when the water level is low. Overall, the Igloo ICEB26RR is a great investment for anyone in need of a portable ice maker. Coming in at number 2, the Frigidaire EFIC103 Portable Ice Maker is a durable and high-capacity machine that can produce up to 48 pounds of ice per day. It features a user-friendly control panel, and each batch of ice takes only 15 minutes to complete. The ice maker also has a large storage capacity of up to 2.4 pounds, making it perfect for entertaining guests or commercial use. Its stainless steel design is easy to clean with a removable ice basket and built-in drain plug. The Frigidaire EFIC103 is a great investment for anyone in need of a reliable and efficient high-capacity ice maker. Coming in at no 1, the Luma Comfort Clear Ice Cube Portable Ice Maker is a high-end appliance designed to produce crystal-clear ice cubes for home or office use. It features a sleek stainless steel design and can produce up to 28 pounds of ice per day. The machine uses a unique process to create slow-melting, restaurant-quality ice cubes, making it a great choice for those who enjoy entertaining. The Luma Comfort also includes a self-cleaning function and an easy-to-use control panel. While it is more expensive than other portable ice makers on the market, the quality of the ice produced makes it a worthwhile investment for ice enthusiasts.